Welcome to the Garage USA. Today I will be showcasing my Tomica collection. I have a total of 6 of these cars in my collection, and I wouldn't really call this an obscure model, but I don't think Tomica really had the popularity of Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But here are the cars that I have in my collection. Tomica sold these cars in the United States under the name Pocket Cars. They do have a lot of detail, opening doors, it just has a lot of fine detail. And this one is model number 6, released in 1974. This is the Fair Lady Z. This would have been a Datsun 240 in the US. And this car has seen much better days. It's been spray painted. I didn't blow this one up though, but it does have the A-pillars are broken off. The interior's got some spray paint in it. But other than that, nice car, I think. I'll turn it around this way. So, not a bad little car. So next is model number 17. It is the Sunny Racing 1200 Coupe. It's got, it's another Nissan or Datsun. It's a nice little car. Opening doors, bright yellow paint, red interior. I like the stripes on it. I'll open the door up for you. Just a nice little car. And there's the bottom. This is model number 75. It was made in 1975. It is the TV bus. At one point it did have a sticker on the side that said TV station. It's a nice truck, bus, van, whatever you want to call it. It's got opening doors, big empty cargo van basically. I'll show you this side. It's a nice casting. It was played with pretty regularly, but I think it's still in pretty decent shape. And there's the bottom. Next up, model number 29. It is a fire engine. It's a ladder truck. The ladder does extend up. However, it is broken and it's missing a segment of the ladder. This got played with pretty regularly. I've got a whole fleet of fire engines, so it's seen some better days for sure. And there's the bottom of this one. And then we have model number 93, which is a hovercraft. This one, it got played with quite a lot. It's missing a lot of paint. Not really a favorite. The propellers are broken on it or bent over. It's not in horrible shape, but obviously it's been played with. And there's the bottom of this one. In 1976, Tomica released my favorite of this particular collection, and that would be the Cadillac Fleetwood. This model does feature, like all of them, opening doors. You know, it does have some nice paint on it. It was in my Nice Cars collection, so it did not get much play. The casting does have a little flaw along the trunk lid. I didn't initially notice that until I dragged out these cars to start filming them for this video. But overall, again, the doors open. It's got decent, you know, it's better fit and finish than some of the other cars that I've had with opening doors. But this one is just in really great condition. I'll show you the bottom of that one as well. And this one was actually probably my favorite car growing up. You know, I thought the opening doors were, you know, really cool, and the real suspension. However, you know, the fitment could have been a lot better on this particular car. And I actually have a lot more Cadillacs that'll be coming up in a future video. But that is all that I have for my Tomica collection. I hope you will join me for this series of videos. If you have any questions, or if you would like to contact me, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, if you've had any Tomica or other brands of diecast cars in your collection, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.